who have given their lives for the cause of Tibet. We stand in solidarity with those who are still suffering under the brutal occupation of the People's Republic of China. As we contemplate on the future of Tibet, we cannot ignore the developing event Tibet beyond. Currently, the ongoing Russia's invasion of Ukraine has exceeded 2 years. War between Israel and Hamas in Gaza has engulfed Eurasia. The powerful nations continue to fall their lines, and China's economy continues to decline. Increasing and intensifies pressure of the fundamental right of Tibetans and the implementation of oppressive policies have resulted in an unprecedented threat to the survival of distinct Tibetan national identity. The PRC government policy of exterminating the Tibetan identity since its invasion of Tibet has continued unabated for over 70 years. In the last decade, the PRC government has extensively expanded its progressive Buddhist party organization to the grassroots level, accelerated massive population transfers within and outside Tibet, and tightened the controls over movement and daily lives of Tibetans by sending tens of thousands of work teams across Tibet. With the surveillance through the great management system, Tibetans are compelled to spy on each other. Externally, Tibetans are threatened with the transnational repression. The PRC government is vigorously pursuing a policy of voting its true sense of Chinese as one single identity by erasing the Tibetan identity, promotion of Chinese language by banning and minimizing the teaching and use of Tibetan language, and the syncretization of Tibetan Buddhism. Reinterpreting and confirming the content of Buddhist canals to suit communist ideology and manipulation of monastic discipline, and subject every Tibetan and every household to patriotic re-education campaign are aimed at eradicating Tibetan's distinct religion, culture, and language. The Gasha has highlighted these policy measures and its implementation in its previous statement. The PRC government has issued various regulations and policy documents that contravene the fundamental